Iwe na you na Eric. Iba sotanya kolobsa kina angu yese kwatien. He has said the way you are trying to uchikwani gumulimo gwene gwezire you are saying you want to go.
There's no need. Comparing a car. Chairman, was comparing a car.
Ikinyofu.
Yes.
Let the man do his work.
Onyala again. Yeah, kuli ni nai.
Kuna kola nenka sote fene bifana nyinyono byewesho nyu.
Ate ko plan yo ke ndikuchwa.
Abanereke. Wakaganika luzungu lwikambure jenga pawe.
Kama stani ya interview also. There's another camera here.
Kuna marote. Kala baba nikufa.
Ogana ku interview ngana ngalo blambule mashai.
Wadeka tini mwidi. Wamne uongo. Ni mwidi hivi.
Katano.
Ekina songo ine mwidi.
Ana yorabule kukwa ina wanze ko side rai.
Ajimotoka muza. Wewe zaanza na wewe baba.
Madam mwene nani? Neyo.
Ne bacha balla ba. Kalo nimwe. Alla ka ba.
Akali. Pita.
Pita kalo nieza.
Kai nutai. Ema
Will be captured. Not captured. No more kukamana bali bave mukifananyi batyambi. Ne babo nazi.
Studio za nanga wewe.
Na.
Lucas, maingeza ni mwezi. Mamusinde.
Asala no pia kwa iwe.
Kazi mazini mwezi.
Ne mazini.
Equivalent to household. Part of also affected. Mangaji mo sema ndio takwenda limo. Limo manyaka. Pambe kulibuka. Okay, it's okay.
Kuna vifana.
Wabandi bafite mu butungurida iyo mukeza mugati murani musulla.
Mwese nzira bala agenda yakumiza.
Ninoze akumeka kifua ukazama komba.
Yes, hello Mr. President.
Mwana yo.
Gonna basi kamera ye hey ma yuwe.
Molo wadi ile kusibe.
Vou botar aqui, eu vou colocar uma 4.
Our strategic. Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay. Asi kachibe chiti.
Azia nago yashije chao kote.
Baba.
Kazi hapa. Politics.
Abo ina kwa amsi.
Eno wa amsi batu ina bari affected banyin.
But it never ambisi.
Okay.
It's okay.
My name is Navenda Ambrose, chairperson LCC Masira sub-county. What has happened here, there was a landslide which has washed away a good number of houses in this community. So, as the chairperson of the area, I'm requesting, my name is Navenda Ambrose, chairperson LCC. We have been receiving heavy rains in this community, which has caused landslide and destruction of houses. As we talk, the residents are staying with neighbors, but the majority of the communities have been destroyed, have been affected by these heavy rains. As we talk, above 50 households have been displaced because of this incident. So I as the chair, I request government, more so Minister of Disaster Preparedness, to come in and rescue my communities who are affected. As we talk, a good number of crops, more so coffee crops, banana trees have been destroyed because of these heavy rains, and even shops, goats, cows have been washed away with these heavy rains. My worry, as the rains are continuous, I request that government removes my communities from this area so that they can have a better settlement. But if they continue staying here, majority of them are going to be affected, and they will even die at any time.
Suffering with a heavy rain. When it rains, we have affected of floods. Have covered me. I'm a business woman. I'm selling. That time it rains, it found when I have carried my properties to sell, like flour, everything in the shop. It was hard of big rain, and all of my things were covered with soil, with water. My worrying is to lose of my life and my properties. My appeal to the government, I said that when the government help us over this way, to give us a safe place when we capture there and we settle there, at least when we stay there, at least when we cannot be affected with this mud.
The waterfalls are becoming too heavy and too much. The homes here, they are at a risky, they are at a risky area, because you can see the slope is too much. All this belt, all the houses are affected. In fact, if the rain continues from this month up to the month of September and October, we are most likely going to lose the people in this area. So my plea to the government that it should do all what it takes to see that it comes and takes these people to Nambute as it had earlier planned. Otherwise, we thank Honorable Nangoli. Currently, the roads are really impassable, because passing through the Britannic Gorge, it was terrible going through because of the water levels are still too much. Even accessing this area, the soil has swept the road, so the road also needs to be worked upon. The population affected is about, like in this parish alone, there are about 300 households. Combined with the Gabgoto parish, which this other parish cannot access, which has the only single primary school. So that population alone is also affected. So the entire sub-county, when we add up, it's a population of about 1,500 households affected by this mudslide and the heavy downpours. Bulambuli is also equally affected, because the rain that follows this area, it's the same that follows the other side of also the Elgon-Nossi constituency and stretches now to the sub-county of Namisuni, Bumujibole, Buginyanye. All these sub-counties are equally affected. So it is important that the government can also quicken the process of reallocating these people to the safer places, and now that's the plains.
Amanya gange vampita nambozo Irene. Ekiterekiza wano yembera yenkuba bwetonye ekiro tweraliikiriranya lwakuba nti tusula eri amayinja ogalaba eri gavaayo ekiro ne gagwa, si wano wooka yadde ne wogenda kwa side eri ojja kusanga nga amayinja gali kuvaayo ng'ekuba etonye ekiro. Wakiri wetonya nga musana, at least awo tubeerako somehow lwakubeera nti tetweraliikirana n'ekiro. Era wano enkuba bwe yajja kirungi tikyali musana, singa kyali kiro ffenna tetwandibaddewo, sinze zeeka ne bannange abasula wali wansi. ebitongole bya gavumenti mbasaba batuyambe batuweeko amataka amalungi gyetusobera okubeerawo n'abaana baffe nga naffe tweyagazako n'ebintu byaffe byetubeera nabyo lwakuba nti olaba omuwala oli yafiiridde ennyumba ye n'abaana be bonna singa nga teyandibadde musana teyandibadde na muntu yadde omu naye tugamba gavumenti etuyambe etuweeko amataka awantu basobola okubeerawo nga tuli safe nga wano boolaba wano nze nazaaliwa wano awo twali tusula awo ekyaliwo wano muganda wange wazino byenyenya bingi lumonde gundi kasooli amatokera bwemwanyi zonna zagenda esaawa zino tetulina kyona tetukwatako yadde engalo kasooli twali tusimbye wano n'ebijanjalo ne gundi obulazi yadde obutungulu n'oboolaba ali tebuliwo yadde esaawa zino abaana b'emitima emirungi batuwaddeko akarumu kamu ketubeeramu
naye enkuba engeri gyeri kukulukutamu erikulukuta ng'enkuba nyingi amayumba mangi gonoonese lwakubireta enkuba yo efudde empabuli lunaku amaka saawa zino wenjogerera sub counties ziringa nnya Masiira Bufumbo Bumugiboole eziri ku Stipe Syrup amaka mangi agawera mu 1,500 gali affected enkuba yo nyingi ate ekyeyongera so n'abaana kati okuba wano okugenda okusomera kirungi nti bali mu holiday nakyo kibadde kigenda kubeera kizibu nnyo abaana okusoma nakyo okusala eri ku sub county ku parish endala okusoma nakyo kizibu nnyo kati egavumenti saawa zino wetuli wano ettaka lyonna liryo mulaba ligenze amayumba gagenze ente zigenze ebisolo bigenze abantu esente zaabwe zonna zigenze ebintu byonna byonoonese emwanyi zigenze amaazi go gakyeyongera mangi ettaka lyo likulukuta ngayo tulaba wano kati egavumenti nsaba eti muveeyo muyambe bano abantu mubatwale mu kifo ekirungi esaawa zino tweraliikirira nnyo okuba enkuba ekyeyongera ettaka lyo lyeyongera ki okukulukuta ate leero weesirikamu enkya neetoonya obweraliikirivu bungi kyagala gavumenti ebeeyo mangu ejjewo abantu bano bonna efamile eziwera mu 1,500 baveewo bagende mu kifo ekiri safe kuba abamu kusaawa zino boolaba bano bayimiridde wano bonna tebalinde gye basula abamu ozibu kuba enkuba wetoonya saawa zino nga wetuuze enguudo zonzibu kuba ne gavumenti saawa zino tezikozeeko naye tusuubira tu gavumenti wefuna sente nejja nerongoosa amakubo gano abantu bajja kweyongera kukola ki okutambuza ebintu byabwe bulungi naye amakubo saawa zino si malungi kyagala gavumenti ebeeyo tuyambe amayumba wegagenze kati saawa zino efamile ezimu zigenze ziri kusula n'abaganda baabwe esayidi zeeyo egundi mu senta eziriko kumpi nga Gabugoto Kikobero Eganzo abamu bali eyo abaganda baabwe naye saawa zino tebalina gyabasula wadde ate abantu bo betegefu nnyo bakumye ejasi gavumenti egambe eti abantu bakole ki baveeyo saawa zino gavumenti wegamba ettaka weeriri abantu saawa zino ne bapakinga n'ebyabwe ne bagenda kuba tebalina gye basula